Evening all, welcome to another Bullets Banter Blitz on PlayChess.com. Okay, let's go. On the bullet. French defense. I'll play c5. Try and take away this dangerous diagonal here. Okay, so this dangerous bishop, yeah, I'm glad to take that one out. Can I actually pin that for 94? By taking on 94. So there might be rook c3, maybe taking on f3. Oh. I'll speed up a bit. Okay. Should be in the bag, this one. Okay, let's go again. So, hi, on stream. Let's go anti-London system mode. Oh, if it was. Well, this looks very nice. Let's get that piece. Okay, I'm only 8 seconds up though at the moment, and this could be tricky. This pawn. I'll give him that. Trying to wipe out his pawns over here. With care. Bit of care. Okay, bit of technique needed. I thought that f3 was a little bit suspect because as soon as f3 was played, I thought e5 is going to open up the dark squares a bit. So yeah, I was happy as soon as I saw f3 there. Okay. So who's excited for the World Championship match coming out? Very exciting. Times are in. 2 days to go. Okay. Play again. take on d4, I think. F3 again. He's got a fetish for F3, this guy. It might make more sense here.
Yes.
Kings in the centre. Looks far too dangerous. Oh, why b3? Okay, b3 is okay. Stop like before. I'm playing this tactic a lot recently. Everyone seems to. There's also Queen h5 for Bishop h7 potentially. Oh, he's shut that down. That's unfortunate. I would have really liked that tactic. Bishop h7 was mating potentially. But he shut down that tactic. Oh, have I got lag? Hello? I hope I haven't got lag. Is it my opponent? Oh, right, that's a shame. I was thinking that would have been fun. Okay. I'm a bit down on the clock. I think I paused maybe too much. But anyway. It seems to be a nice position generally. Okay, very nice. Oh, he's going to take on d4. Maybe not. He could have taken on d4. Queen h3, Mr. Essence. Checkmate. Yeah. Okay, he wants a rematch. Okay, let's give him a rematch. H6? Really? This is highly provocative. H6. What? He's got a random move generator on. Weird, okay. Was that a mouse step? Okay, let's try again. Why is he giving me this pawn? I'll stick with this line from earlier. It worked okay earlier. Strange variation. Strange one to want to repeat. Surely. It's giving me up a lot of pawns there. At least I can feel a bit of pressure in this one. Okay. However, C5. Now I'm on A4 as well, added bonus. So march this pawn down. Okay, let's move on, I think. Someone else, bit of variety. He's got me there. Yeah, my king caught in the centre. That wasn't very nice. I went up rook f6. No, I was busted. I was playing my silly opening. It was a very silly opening. Let's accept the rematch. It's not very stable at all, that opening. It sometimes works in bullet. I think e4, rook e4, knight g5. You've still got queen d4 though here. If I took and then it's queen d4 for rook e7, so I can't really do that. Okay, there's pressure on the centre. That's quite quick as well. Oh, why not takes and queen e4? Uh-oh. Oh, I've missed out on queen e4 shot. Okay. I've defended the king, but there was a queen e4 shot I've just missed out on. Oh, this is very precarious. Oh, this is increment, isn't it? There's an increment going on here. I've been warned about this because one of the sessions about 2-3 weeks ago, it seems as like there was no time pressure. There's very little time pressure. He kept very, very constant there. Smith Morra games from Valentina. Okay, I'll try and play Smith Morra or something, yeah. I think there's a small increment going on here on stream. So this is a classic variation against the French. The knights are sort of overprotecting d4. The king might have an awkward route here. I'm hoping this will work, unless he plays super energetically. Has he read Watson's book on, yeah, the French? It appears as though he has so far. This looks very, very theoretical so far. Oh, there's Rook F4 for knight E3. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Can I take here? Yeah, Rook E5 for Queen E3. Oh, crikey. I think he's still got it. Oh, if he's still got that dangerous stuff going on with Rook E5. Okay. Oh, man. No. I don't want to be mated, thanks very much. Leave me alone. This guy's much stronger, surely, than that rating. Much stronger. Smith-Morra Gambit was on request. Sometimes they just don't look at your move and just play an all move and then I've just gained space. So this is sort of nice Benoni sort of position. Oh, why did I allow that? Maybe knight c6 is okay though. Come on. Oh, come on. I wanted King F2. I wanted King F2. Okay. Our ratings have severely changed. He's had on the clock a lot of the time, isn't he? Oh, this is a dangerous guy. Maybe I should move on after this one. I think I'm too slow. Yeah. I'm 7 seconds behind. I don't really. Yeah, I'm trying to play quick. Losing this pawn. Okay, lost the rook. I think I'm moving on now. Okay, applause as I next. Another game. Can I get this pawn?
Yes.
Oh, hang on. He's running me over with his pawns here. Let's take that out. Come on, pre-move. Hang on, let's try and get mate in that or not. Nope. Whoa, okay. Just about matched the speed. Try B3, yeah. That's a good point. Yeah. Maybe rook h5 is an idea. Is the only idea? Mm. No, I'm on the way out here. Faster. Oh, no, I think it's increment time. I don't think the clock's going to go down. Not much. Okay, let's try a rematch this guy. Yes. That's mating. Yeah, his mating with his king is very dangerous. Okay, maybe a one last try. And this guy, one last try. Glutton for punishment. Okay, he's not around. Abort. One last game then. Until next week. I think one last game if I can get it. No, aborted. Oh, these games are getting aborted. Okay. Who's on? try this gambit here, Danish gambit. Thematic for Leela's game today. So Danish gambit declined. You know what? D5 looks good. Oh, knight D5. That's weakening. F6. This d4 looks okay. This d4 will switch the rook. Maybe switch the rook. I'm adapting to bishop e6 now. Of course. I'll say that. No, I can't. Scoop up these pawns. Okay, until next week. Thanks. Yeah, just a bit of light entertainment there. A little bit. Okay, until next week. I hope you enjoyed it a bit. Thanks so much.